Welcome in online classes. Today I am going to present of subject Salyatantra paper 2 part on topic hepatomegaly. Hepatomegaly is a basically a sign, and in this topic we includes following headings like basics of liver, what is hepatomegaly, what are the causes of hepatomegaly, how can diagnose a case of hepatomegaly, how to make differential diagnosis, what are the management of hepatomegaly, and Ayurvedic aspect of hepatomegaly. We must know about the basics of liver. As you know, that the liver is the largest gland of the body, situated at the right upper part of the body, abdominal cavity, that is mainly in right hypochondric region, in epigastric region, and partially in left hypochondric region, and situated just below the diaphragm. The liver has two lobes, right lobes and left. The weight of the liver is near about 1.5 kg in man, and the arterial supply of liver is made up of the arterial supply basically by hepatic artery, and this supply the pure blood, and the hepatic artery is the direct branch of aorta, abdominal aorta. Next, the portal vein, which is made up of superior mesenteric vein and splenic vein. It is basically a part of intrahepatic solution, have less oxygen content, brings blood from stomach, intestine, spleen, pancreas, and drain into liver. Venous drainage by hepatic vein, which finally goes into inferior vena cava. Physiological function: the liver have dual functions, secretory functions and excretory functions. Both functions performed by liver. The bile importance of liver, or we can say what are the value performed by liver is bile secretions, hemopoietic actions, means the blood formation, metabolism, that is regulation in metabolic activities, storage of glucose, etc., synthesis of immunoglobulins and other hormones, enzymes, etc. Excretory functions like urea ornithine cycle, defensive mechanism, and detoxification of body. Then now come on the headings, that is what is hepatomegaly. The hepatomegaly is made up of two terms, hepat and megaly. Hepat means liver and megaly means enlargement. That is, the hepatomegaly is the enlargement, enlarged conditions of the liver. It is basically a sign, medical sign, and mostly present as an abdominal swelling, mass, or in lump. The causes of hepatomegaly: there are various causes of hepatomegaly. They can be grouped into like infective causes, hepatic tumors causes, metabolic disorders causes, biliary causes, congenital, and toxicity. The infective causes includes abscess like liver abscess, pyogenic abscess, amoebic abscess, malaria, amoebic infestation, hydatid cyst, glandular fever or infectious mononucleosis, hepatitis A, B, or C, leptospirosis, and actinomycosis. The liver abscess, malaria, and hydatid cyst is mostly, and hepatitis is mostly common. Hepatic tumors: the hepatocellular carcinoma, hepatoma, leukemia, lymphoma, metastatic tumors are included in this group. Hepatocellular carcinoma is prominent cause. And metabolic disorders includes porphyria, Wilson's disease, fatty infiltration, non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, storage diseases, hemochromatosis. The biliary causes includes biliary cirrhosis, sclerosing cholangitis. Congenital causes like radals, lobes, and toxicity like alcohol abuse, drug-induced hepatitis, etc. How we diagnose a case of hepatomegaly, or we can say how to examine a case of hepatomegaly. The clinical diagnosis and lab diagnosis have two aspects. The clinical diagnosis have much importance as compared to lab diagnosis because initially we can diagnose the hepatomegaly in clinic with clinical examination. The palpable mass at right hypochondrial region is the primary sign. First, we diagnose on the basis of anatomy, then pathological, and then final. Anatomically, that is this lump of swelling situated at the right side of upper abdominal cavity, that in hypochondrial regions. Then in the pathological conditions according to differential diagnosis. By palpation of lower border of percussing and by palpation of lower border and percussing it upper limits, liver dullness feels and this swelling move with respiration. Lab diagnosis includes blood investigations like CBC, ESR. Like in infective cases, the WBC count, RAGES, ESR, RAGES. Liver function test, we can test liver function and find that SGOT, SGPT, bilirubin, albumin levels in the blood. Clotting profiles helpful in assessing the cause of hepatomegaly. C-reactive protein also increases in infections. The main investigatory tools is radiological investigation, in which USG is the primary tools, and if not diagnosed with USG, then we can do CT scan. On clinical basis, the liver may be tender, may be smooth, may be hard. So soft, smooth, non-tender liver conditions found in hydrohepatosis, congestive cardiac failure, hydrated cyst of liver, congenital renal snooze. The soft, smooth, tender liver found in amoebic liver abscess, portal pyemia, and the hard, smooth livers found in hepatoma, hepatocellular carcinoma, and solitary secondaries in liver. Hard liver with multiple nodules. This type of conditions found in multiple secondaries in liver and macronodular cirrhotic liver. The differential diagnosis in hepatomegaly. If any swelling lump feel at right hypochondrial region, first of all clear whether it is parietal or visceral. This can be performed with the help of straight leg raging test. Hepatomegaly basically a intra-abdominal swelling. In straight leg raging swelling, in straight leg raging test, when the leg raises, the intra-abdominal swelling disappears and the parietal swellings are become prominent. Hepatomegaly is an intra-abdominal swelling. Right hypochondric lump connected with liver, gallbladder, subphrenic space, subphrenic space, pylorus disease, hepatic flexure of colon disease, and right renal and suprarenal diseases. In case of liver diseases, the TB can be made with inflammation and infection like amoebic hepatitis and abscess, pyogenic abscess, liver tumors like hepatocellular carcinoma, metabolic disorders and infiltrations, storage abnormality, congenital Ledder's loop, hepatic flexure of colon, carcinoma or inflammatory mass. Right kidney means have renal cell carcinoma, hydronephrosis, and the right suprarenal glands. What are the management of hepatomegaly? The hepatomegaly is basically a sign. It have various causes and the treatment plan according to the cause they are staying. The Ayurvedic aspect of hepatomegaly, the hepatomegaly disorders or disease are sign described in Ayurveda in heads of Udar Roga as the name of Yakrit Daludar. The hepatomegaly is ectrodaludar. It is mentioned in Ayurvedic text in contrast to Udar Roga after Plihota. The Agni-Mandya features are feeling of heaviness, indigestion, and belchings are its symptoms. And the treatment in the line of treatment of hepatomegaly includes diet and lifestyle modification, Sothar Chikitsa, Deepan Pachan, and production of Agni, purgative and repeated purgative and use of hepatoprotective drugs. ये श्लोक मेंशन बाय सुश्रुत in their चिकित्सा स्थान to treat the udar roga is the kupta anil mulatvat sanchitvan malasya सर्वो सर्वोदरसु संसंति बहुसस्त्वस अनुलोमनम मीन्स की वायु कुपित होता है और कफ संचित होता है। इसके लिए सभी उदर रोगों में बहुसा अनुलोम बहुत बार बार अनुलोमन चिकित्सा करनी चाहिए, मीन्स की परगेशन करना चाहिए। The do's and don'ts in hepatomegaly: do's: take soft diet, easily digestible diet, take lukewarm water, and active lifestyle modification. Don'ts include the avoid day sleep, avoid spicy diet, junk food, oily food, alcohol, गुरु आहार, अभिसंधि आहार, वृक्ष आहार, विदाही आहार, and मेद युक्त मांस. The aim is to protect Agni and digestive fires. The following Shastrok drugs are mentioned for the treatment of hepatomegaly: Yakrit Plihari Lauh, यक्रदारी लौह, आरोग्यवर्धनी बटी, रोहितिका अरिष्ट, चित्रकारी बटी, सरसप तैलपान, and use of Lekhandra Biji Kanchana Trifla Gogul with Punarnoastakwat. The hepatoprotective drugs acting on livers are Daru Haridra, Kakmachi, Apamarg, Kalmeg Bhunimb, Dugdfenim, Kasni, Parijat, Elua, Kutki, etc. Thanks for your patience listening. One assignment for you: kindly search the research work available on hepatomegaly in Ayurveda through electronic media. I hope that you may able to understand the things. If you feel any problem, you may call or message or contact for your queries. I will probably solve your problem. Thank you. Thank you so much.